Okay, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, last day of our school week. We're going to do our spiral review in DMR together today. And if you have any questions, please let me know during the Google Meet, or you can ask me first thing Monday morning, because we will take a quiz over these types of problems. Okay, here we go. So our first one, we have to add and solve for n. N is our unknown. It's the variable that we don't know. Now we know that we can use the inverse operation to solve this. So I can take my sum, 968, and I can subtract the add-in that I have all the digits for, 557. So when I subtract, 8 minus 7 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So when I compare those two numbers, I see that 1 is my missing number. So my answer is n equals 1. Now remember, I don't want to know this difference down here for the answer. I want to know what does n equal. Okay, let's jump over to subtracting across zeros. Okay, when we do this, we're going to have to borrow because I cannot do 7 minus 8. So I go over to my tens place to borrow 10, and the 10 is all out. But the 10 runs over to the hundreds place and borrows 100. That leaves my hundreds with only 4 hundreds. Come back over with that 100 and add on, which gives me 10 tens. Now my ones place can finally borrow. So he's going to borrow 110 from the tens place. Now they've got 9 tens. I'm going to bring those tens over to the one place, and I now have 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So my answer is 79. All right, I hope we have these sevens. If you don't, make sure you make some flashcards, sing the song, whenever works for you. The song is 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, it's you and me. So 0 times 7 is 0, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 4 is 28, 5 times 7 is 35. 7 times 9 is 63, and 10 times 7 is 70. Alrighty, 6 times 7 is 42, 7 times 1 is 7, and 2 times 7 is 14. Good job. Now we're going to do our divisions, dividing by 3. Now remember, if you really get stuck on these, you can use your 3 song, you can use the inverse operation. Sometimes when I really get stuck on these, I like to go ahead and just write all the multiples out of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Yes, 30 apples under that tree. Wow, those are pretty sloppy. Sorry about that. Okay, so if I'm going 27 divided by 3, that's right over here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Took me 9 multiples to get to 27. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. All right, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 0 is 0. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, let's move on. Our DMR. We can use base 10 blocks to multiply one digit number by a 2-digit number. So we have to create and solve in a problem. We have to actually write the equation ourselves. Okay. I see that I have 1, 2, 3 equal groups, and in each group I've got 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. I've got 32. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. 32. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2. 32. So I know I have 3 groups of 32. Or I can say 32 is 3 times as many as whatever. No, I'm so sorry. I just totally flubbed that up. My product here will be 3 times as many as 32. I apologize about that. All right. So when I multiply those, I can use my algorithm. I can use my area model, but it would be so much easier if you just counted your base 10 blocks. I know each of these is 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and 96. All right. There we go, you all. We made it to the weekend. A little bumpy this week with our technology and our ability to stream and not freeze, but we'll work out the details. So I can't wait to see you Monday. Have a fantastic week.